Hi everyone, my name is Sanchit Patil and I'm from the HR team at Aptech. So firstly, I would like to thank Aptech for giving me this work opportunity and also my HR team who allowed me to share my glimpse of my journey with you all. So before starting Aptech, I was a fresher. I completed my MBA in HR specialization from Mumbai University. Then I joined Aptech last year in the month of Feb as a trainee manager in the AYLEP batch 2023. And my role was into talent acquisition and employee experience. So I had enjoyed every aspect about my journey. In talent acquisition, it feels really good when you are in a position to provide a job opportunity to someone who is in need. And also, I even saw many young aspirants in the form of interns for our summer internship last year. And I had connected with various colleges pan India, somewhere about 86 to 87 colleges I had connected to. So that's a great exposure I got, is what I felt. And in employee experience, I was handling the employee onboarding. So many of you all might have already interacted with me during either your onboarding or the onboarding of your teammates. So it was really fun. I loved inducting the new joiners about the organization, about how we run, about our business, and also running them through about various processes what we have here. And as a fresher, it's a great learning experience when you are able to contribute in so many aspects of your particular function. And recently, I got promoted to assistant manager, and my new role is into HR analytics and transformation, in which data visualization and driving automation at our function is what my role is about. And I'm proud to say that I'm one of the early adopters of Microsoft Power BI at Aptech, and all this was possible only because of the support and guidance I received from Shaurya sir, Priyanka ma'am, Sharon, and all my other HR colleagues as well. And to be very honest, I didn't believe that I'll be able to achieve so much in this particular field because I come from a management background, and this particular role requires technical skills. But however, I would like to mention that I do have a computer science experience during my high school, so in which I had taken science as my stream. And I'm pretty good in the maths as well as statistics as a subject. So I feel that in life the dots do connect, and it led my way through where I am today currently. And with my little years of experience, I would like to give not advice, I'll call it as suggestions to all the new joinees, all the freshers, or the people who are in their early stages of their career, that there can be times in which you will feel that your day is not going good, or else you are not that well connected with your current role and you feel that this is not what you want to do. But what I'll suggest is you should give it more time, try understanding your role, your organization in a broader aspect, and then make your decisions. And as I said, the dots do connect, so your life will definitely take you to the way of success, and definitely you'll be able to achieve your goals. And the second thing is about learning. So I believe that learning, it's not a destination, but it's a lifelong pursuit. And one should never stop learning in their life, and they should keep growing. And even today, I'm that kind of a person who tries to learn some of the other things from the people in and around me, be it my colleagues, be it my friends, even the things as small as learning an Excel shortcut. Even that makes me happy that I was able to learn something new today. So yeah, that was all about me. Thank you so much everyone for the patient listening. Wishing you all and Aptech all the success in the future. And I truly can say that I'm a proud Aptechite.